So great. So let us now move to next clause and talk about this conformance of the product and processes. So when we talk about the product, it talks about the product characteristics. When you talk about the process, it's talk about the process characteristics. You must have seen in the control plan, there are like both kind of characteristics. Product characteristics related to dimension, process characteristic related to process like temperature, pressure, all these are like process characteristic. The product characteristic is not only given in the control plan at the various stages of production, but it is also given in the drawings, right? So this could be specification. So let us try to understand. So this very small clause, this more generic clause, does not have too many details. So it is talking in general that organization shall ensure conformance of all product and process, including service parts, if there is any, like, and those that are outsourced. So all product and process, right? So that will includes your control plan, that will includes your drawing, or if there is any specification, special standard need to be followed, and also that are outsourced. So what are outsourced processes? So outsourced processes are those processes, right, which in which you are sending some material for processing, right? That is, those are basically the outsourced process, and it again come back to your organization. Let's say you are sending the parts for the plating, okay, and then once it is the plating is done, it again come back to you. Then plating is called outsourced process. Or let's say you are sending parts for the heat treatment, and then again part come back to you, then it is called this plating, heat treatment. All these are basically outsourced process. So what happens in outsourced process? You send the part, and then again that part is received back from the party, and the outsourced service provider could be within your campus also. It's not mandatory that they should be outside your campus. So it could be within your campus to all applicable customer statutory and regulatory requirements. So it is just talking about in general that all the specification or whatever you have identified, that has to be adhered. So that is what is there in clause number 4411. So nothing much to worry about this, right? Because then there are specific clauses related to the control plan or the special control of the outsource process or the supplier. There are specific clauses which are there for this requirement. So definitely you need to have prepare a list of outsourced product and process, make the list of applicable statutory or regulatory requirements, whatever CSR requirements are there. Monitor that these requirements. These are some of the documents which you need to make: control plan, patrol inspection, incoming inspection, test certificates, lab reports. So these are some of the mandatory requirements which needs to be adhered to show the evidence of this standard. I have never seen non-conformity actually in this clause. Like I've never seen the non-conformity in this clause. Because then there are special clause and specific clause which are available for these specific things. Sometimes the clause is generic, and then there are specific clause. So whenever you get any non-conformity or you give the non-conformity, you should try to give the non-conformity in the specific clause. Okay. So that's there it in this clause.